Good evening. मेरा नाम डॉक्टर संदीप पारेख है. I'm an interventional cardiologist and practicing in Mohali. I see patients both at Arogya Cardiac and ENT Care and also at Livasa Hospital, Sector 71, Mohali. As you all know, World Yoga Day is on the 21st of June. योगा हमारा एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफस्टाइल होना चाहिए बिकॉज योगा ऑल्सो हेल्प्स अस टू स्टे फिट एंड हेल्दी एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प्स अस टू प्रिवेंट हार्ट डिजीज. तो आज मैं आपको कपल ऑफ योगा पोजेस के बारे में बताऊंगा जो आप अपने घर पे कर सकते हैं विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. द फर्स्ट पोज दैट आई वुड से इज अ तड़ासना और द माउंटेन पोज. Now, to perform the following pose, you have to follow the steps, such as you stand upright with your feet slightly apart. Ensure that both the soles of your feet remain in contact with the ground. Keep your hands straight up by your sides and you gaze forward. You slowly inhale and lift your arms in front, bringing them up to your shoulder height. Lock your fingers of both the hands together. Slowly rotate your wrist outwards. Inhale again and lift the hand above your head. While you lift your arms, simultaneously also lift your heels off the floor, keeping your body weight balanced on the toes. You hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds before going back to the initial position. The next pose is Vrikshasana, which is the tree pose. This is a simple heart opening posture, and this asana it works on your shoulders and also allows you to improve your posture. So how do you do the tree pose? You stand with your arms by the side of your body. You slowly bend the right knee and place your right foot high up on your left thigh. The sole of your foot should be placed flat and firmly on your thigh. Keep your left leg straight. Focus on your breath and find your balance. Once you are well balanced, inhale and gently raise your arms over your head from the side and bring your palms together in a namaste. Look straight ahead in front of you, gazing at a single point to stay balanced. Gently, as you exhale, bring your hands down and slowly release the leg. And repeat this with the other leg. The next pose is Bhujangasana, which is the cobra pose. Now, this posture is extremely effective for heart health. It opens up the chest, improves your respiration and cardiovascular function. It also helps you to correct bad posture, and this asana works on your abdomen and reduces stress as well as fatigue. Now, how do you do it? You basically lie flat on your stomach with the legs straight, feet together, and the soles of your feet arching upwards. Place the palms of your hands flat on the floor, below and slightly to the side of your shoulders, with the fingers together and pointing forward. Now, position the arms so that the elbows point backwards and are close to the sides of the body. Rest the forehead on the floor and close the eyes. Relax your whole body, especially the lower back. Now slowly raise the head. Straighten the elbows using the back muscles first, then the arm muscles to raise the trunk further and arch the back. In the final position, the pubic bone remains in contact with the floor and the navel is raised to a maximum of 3 millimeters. The arms may or may not be straight, and this will depend on the flexibility of the back. The next pose that I'll be talking about is Dhanurasana, which is the bow pose. Now, the bow pose opens up, strengthens the heart region. It stimulates the abdominal organs, the digestive system, strengthens the back. It also effectively corrects bad posture. How to do a downward facing dog? You lie flat on the stomach with the legs and the feet together, and the arms and the hands beside the body. Bend the knees and bring the heels close to the buttocks. Grip the ankles with the hands. Keep the knees and thighs firmly on the floor and the arms straight throughout the practice. Place the chin on the floor. Tense the legs and lift the feet backward while raising the head and chest as high as possible from the floor without straining. Use the backward movement to the legs to assist the raising of the body, allowing the back muscles to remain passive. In the final position, the gaze is upward without compressing the neck. The next pose that I'll be talking about is Trikonasana, which is the triangle pose. It is great for expansion of the chest, which helps open up the heart. This pose stretches your hamstring, your back muscles, while activating your abdominal muscles. How do you get into this posture? You stand straight and you keep the feet about 3 to 4 feet apart. Now you align the center of your right heel with the center of your left foot. You ensure your feet are pressing the ground firmly and the weight of your body is equally balanced on both your feet. As you inhale and exhale, bend your body to the right, downward from the hips, and keeping the waist straight. Now extend the left arm towards the leg, rotate the hip, abdomen, and chest to the left side, and your right hand comes down towards the floor. Keep both the arms in a straight line. Straighten the front knee, pushing the hips back, maintaining a lateral stretch on the left side of your body. Find your balance looking down and then look up towards the left fingertips. Breathe deeply while you stretch to the maximum and you maintain your balance. The next pose that I'll be talking about is Virabhadrasana, which is the warrior pose. This yoga pose helps relieve stress and enhances your overall blood circulation. It keeps the heart rate in check, reduces the risk of developing arrhythmias. It also improves your body's balance and boosts your stamina. How do you get into this posture? The standing position is the same as Virabhadrasana 1. Stand at the center of your mat. Now place your right foot in at the front of your mat and your left foot at your back. Your left foot should be turned outwards, about 90 degrees or slightly less, and hip joints are facing left side of your mat. Align your foot and your heel with your back arch. Align your front heel and back arch. Now gently bend the right knee so that it comes directly over the right ankle and your thigh is as close as being parallel to the floor as possible. Keep your shoulders over your hips and bring your hands parallel to the mat with one arm pointing towards the front foot and the other hand pointing towards the back leg. Turn your head and keep your gaze towards your fingertips of the arm in front. Stay here for 5 to 10 deep breaths while maintaining your alignment. Thank you.